It is very worrying that during the demonstrations witnessed since the beginning of July, we have documented 27 persons shot dead by police during demonstrations. This cannot continue and must be brought to an end immediately.
Borithi matikahũthĩra live bullets kũraga andũ tondũ tuona rĩu andũ nĩ makinyire thate arĩa moragĩtwo, nayo arĩa mara demonstrate matikae kũhũthĩra mahiga kana gũthiĩ makĩiyaga kũbunja nduka ciene. Ũcio nĩ ũmaramari na ndwagĩrĩire.
Therefore call upon the Inspector General to guide the officers on legal and humane approaches. On their part, we call upon organizers of demonstrations to ensure that their supporters adhere to the rule of law and do not provoke or attack the officers.
We appeal to all of us to adopt a new form of maandamano by demonstrating peace and calm. Embrace dialogue for the sake of the nation.
We appeal for a resumption of bipartisan talks with a single agenda of facilitating the reconstituting of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC.